Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I will be making fried fish. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more videos. First, I will season the fish. Make sure to clean it well. Then pat it dry with a paper towel. Season it inside and out with salt, pepper and your all-purpose seasoning. Rub the spices in well for that flavor. Once seasoned, set aside for a few minutes to really absorb the spices. Next, it is time to fry your fish. Heat some oil in a large skillet. Then you're going to add a clove of garlic and some scotch bonnet pepper to give the oil flavor. Then in a shallow bowl, add some flour and the same seasoning that you used to season your fish. Light coat the fish in the seasoned flour, making sure it is fully covered for that extra crunch. Make sure that the oil is hot before adding the fish to get that nice crispy texture. Carefully place the fish in the oil and fry each side up until golden brown. This will take about 5 to 7 minutes per side depending on the size of the fish. Once it is done, let it drain on some paper towel. Now onto the star of the dish. Here I have some onions, carrot, scotch bonnet pepper and pimento. In another pan, add some vinegar. Then you're going to add the onion, carrot, pimento, and the scotch bonnet pepper for that Jamaica kick. Stir everything until the vegetables are slightly softened. Let it simmer for a couple of minutes so all those flavors come together. Place the fish on a plate and pour that flavorful sauce over the top. You will get that beautiful contrast of crispy fish with that tangy spicy sauce. Serve it up with some fried dumpling, bami, or rice and peas for a full Jamaica meal experience. And there you have it, authentic Jamaica fried fish. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more recipes.